romantic. That was so romantic. Oh, that was so great. Oh, I'm sorry. I'm here. I'm here. I'm here. I'm here.
About time.
I'm here.
Come on, upset.
Well, let's just kiss it back up, okay? Come on, honey. Isn't he handsome? How could I ever leave? I'll never leave you again.
Okay.
Let's take some pictures, okay? Let's take some pictures.
Take some pictures of
Yeah.
people.
Can I do you first?
Yeah, I'm going to take my
Well,
picture.
I'll take a picture of them. They look like a nice couple there. Let's take a picture of them.
Take pictures of people. What?
I won't ever do that again. I won't ever leave you again.
I hope not.
I won't. I won't.
Made me nervous. I was worried to death where you was at.
Except for maybe tomorrow. Here. You ready?
Can I tell you something?
Good bit, Bob. You're always full of wisdom.
I am.
There's another big word.
I want to tell you, I love this girl like a hog loves slop.
Wow. Speaking of hog, I was slaughtered one today and I cut my finger.
Is that what happened?